Introducing Handmade Heartbeat, our biggest bag making fabric release ever. Hi there, bag makers. It is Melissa with Sew Yours, and today is a very exciting day here as I get to share with you something that I've been working on since January. This is our Handmade Heartbeat collection. If you've ever admired designer handbags that incorporate their logo into the exterior design of the handbags, that was the inspiration for this collection. This is one of the collections I am most proud of. I took the inspiration from our handmade script seatbelt webbing that you already know and love. That webbing has been one of our biggest sellers ever since we released it a couple of years ago. My original design for the debossed webbing actually had the script lettering connected by a heart. I was so disappointed to learn that our manufacturer couldn't deboss a continuous design like that. So instead, I redesigned it to just have the word handmade with the heart between each one. So then I remembered back to the original artwork. I pulled it back up. I started to play around with it, playing around with the scale and the angle. I got feedback from both my husband and the Sew Yours team, and we landed on a design that we all loved. From there, I spent a lot of time working on the colors because I wanted them to coordinate beautifully with our faux leathers and suedes. Then it was time for samples, and let me tell you, there were quite a few. I tested different vinyl textures, I adjusted the colors, fine-tuned the scale, and tweaked the angle and kept making changes until everything felt just right. It was really important to me that this design be subtle and classy. I wanted someone to notice a beautiful bag first. Then, when they got a little closer, they discovered what made it special. I wanted it to be a conversation starter. So picture this. You're out shopping and someone notices your bag as you walk by. A few minutes later, they're standing behind you at the checkout line. They're looking at your bag a little bit more closely, and suddenly they notice the script. They lean in just enough to read it, and they say, "Wait, does that say handmade?" Before you know it, you're talking about the bag you made, the pattern you used, the materials you picked out, and even the hardware you chose. I love the idea of the bag naturally starting that conversation. That's exactly what I hoped this collection would do. From across the room, it's a beautiful designer-inspired print, but up close, it tells a story. Handmade Heartbeat is a subtle way to showcase the work that went into your project and lets the bag speak for itself. That's how Handmade Heartbeat was born, and honestly, the final result is exactly what I pictured in my head. I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. I designed each of these colorways to match perfectly with our faux leathers and suedes, zipper tape, and threads. And of course, I didn't want you to just see the material. I wanted you to see them on finished bags. That is why I sent these off to some talented bag makers, and boy, did they produce some beautiful bags. Angie created this beautiful Minerva tote by Bagstock Designs. Doreen made the Dulcinea by Shambhala Bags. Sonia made the Laura Jean, which is one of my sewing patterns. And then I made two bags myself. I made this Laverna, which is one of my sewing patterns, and the Baylin by Shambhala Bags. Barbie from Jeannie's Design also did a sewing tutorial on the Harrelson waist bag by Noodlehead. I will be sure to put a link in the description box so you can watch her video. I think that seeing this collection sewn into different bags really shows how versatile it is. You don't have to make an entire bag out of the Handmade Heartbeat vinyl. You can use little pieces like Doreen did here on her bag. She put it on the flap closure only and paired it up with our coordinating Harrison suede and the color wine. I am happy to report that I have also added fabric bundles to make shopping even easier for you. These bundles include some of my favorite combinations of the Handmade Heartbeat vinyls, LinerTex, and coordinating solids. I didn't stop with vinyl. I also designed 8 colorways in our LinerTex, which is a bonded nylon fabric, perfect for bag linings. You're free to go all in and use the vinyl for the exterior and the LinerTex for your lining, or you could use one or the other on your handmade bags. Many colors in our Handmade Heartbeat LinerTex collection coordinate beautifully with our Handmade Heartbeat vinyl collection. I've also filmed a Matchmaker Monday episode where you can see which faux leathers and suedes match the vinyls, in addition to which LinerTex coordinate well with our vinyls. I've also added our thread and hardware recommendations and which zipper tapes match. That'll be linked in the description box below. Now let's talk about inventory, because this launch represents the biggest investment that I've ever made in my business. I am so confident that you guys are going to love this design, and I wanted to make sure that we did not run out like we did earlier this year when we released our Lumi Croc and Lumi Scale vinyls. So we should have enough to hold us over. We'll see how everything goes. I am so excited for this, and I know that you will be too. And don't forget about our fabric bundles to make shopping even easier. They will be linked below. I honestly can't wait to see what y'all make with it. That is one of my favorite parts of designing these fabrics, is seeing all of your finished bags. I have a feeling that this collection is going to inspire you guys to make some incredible bags. The Handmade Heartbeat vinyl collection is available in 8 colorways, as well as the Handmade Heartbeat LinerTex collection. You'll find a link in the description box below so you can start shopping today. Let me know in the comments which colorway is your favorite and what bag you're going to be making first with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.